Alright, so we know how to select, we know how to rotate the whole viewport. Let's also learn about zoom in and zoom out. So basically, remember we talk about the center wheel of the mouse. So you can rotate the center wheel of the mouse. And by the way, this won't be shown in the viewport, in the screencast key. Sorry about that. This thing you can't see that I'm doing anything, but in fact I'm rotating it. So basically, if you want to go closer, you just need to like push this wheel like forward, right? It's like push it forward. It's kind of counterintuitive. You want to go closer, you actually like push it away, but you want to like bring it farther away. It's sort of like using a rope to pull it closer, but you'll get used to it. Okay, so right now I want you, if you got this mouse with a center wheel, play around with this, and I want you to, just combine all this the basic maneuver. First click and click anywhere else, so it's the selected and unselected, and then using the center wheel, press it, hold and rotate, so you can see this amazing 3D render in a 2D viewport. And of course I want you to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so once you get yourself familiar with these three basic maneuver, we can continue to just change the place a little bit. It seems a little bit boring. Well, like a focus on the cube. If you watch tons of tutorials, and there is like a jargon, so like to delete this cube because we don't want to focus on this cube. So yeah, next video we're going to sort of get away a little bit.